Hello everyone, I'm Jagriti Patil. First of all, I want to thank the Shukla sir and the whole admin members of Core Code Academy for giving this opportunity. So let's begin with my first project, which is called an image to sketch converter by using the Tkinter application. So this is the whole code regarding that. Here I have taken first library as a Tkinter, which will use to demonstrate the buttons, labels, as well as the whole GUI content on my application. Then I have used NumPy for the image preference CV2 and mainly image content tools which given in PIL library. So let's see the demonstration of each. Here first of all I have given a opening function to the image. In that I'm opening the function and precising the size regarding that. Then in this I'm copying the file by opening it, and the file format I have given like it should be jpg file, png file, gif file as well. So here are the processing regarding file opening and maintaining to the input format. Then this is the main thing regarding creating and converting it into the sketch format. So here I have given some parameters regarding size, image type, and then I have given this input to the PIL library, which will convert the sketch. This is it. I have maintained all the size properties, image sketch properties in this, and after that a progress bar to stop the file. If it will be work as I given, then it will gives and pop up like yes, image is successfully created, and it demonstrated to the documentary as well. So these are the UI content which will be read on the format of the application. So let's run it. So here I'm compiling this file, and it will give the output like in two sections. One is a input section which will take the input image, and other one will show the output application, that how the image will convert into the specific format. So the flow of this is like first will it take the image, then convert it into the sketch, and then display it into the output window, and then it will be saved the documentary as per you want to save or not. This is the output window. Here are the header which will set that pencil to sketch converter, and here we can simply open the file from our documentary. Here are some reference files I have taken as a input source files. So let's take this is the input and open it with the source. So it will be open in this section like that. Then the option is, which is option is disabled, it is enabled now. So let's click here, and this is the output. It will be converted into the sketch format. We will save this file into the three formats, that is jpg, png, as well as the pdf format. And if you want to save this file, we can save our specific document path as well. So this is it, will be saved as image one as a format pdf. Yes, it will be saved, and the pop-up will look like that. That image is saved successfully in that specific path. Here is it. So let's go to our second code, which will nothing but another Tkinter application called as drawing application. In this I have used some import some contains that color chooser palette from the specific folders. In that, let's user pick colors that will given in the color chooser palette. Then file dialog box to open file to load the things. So this is all in that. Then I have taken the tools like pencil to draw the shapes and anything on the screen, my GUI screen. Then here are the color palettes. To choosing it from the color chooser, ask color to the user. Then update button state, which will be click on that specific buttons widgets, and then set size. In that function, size will be set by small, medium. I have given here small is 2, medium is 5, and then large is 10. Here are the access point on X and Y axis to the specific application, and the shapes I have taken is triangle, star, rectangle, circle, and these are the all functions of that canvas. And also I am opening and closing image in this palette as well. It will work in a specific color application which will use. So here are the specific tools I have used using line, rectangle, square, circle, triangle, and a move application to move the image as well. So this is the image canvas given in the GUI application. So let's run this too. So here it will be compiled. I think I given some wrong information. So here it opens. So sorry. First of all, let's clear the screen, and here is a choose color palette and use a specific color by the user's choice. So first of all, I will select the size as small, and I will draw a line. This is the line. Then I can choose a rectangle. Here is the rectangle. Then square shape is a square. Circle shape, this is the circle. And also we can clearing the screen here. Then go to the another size, which is a large. Choose color by any you want. So I will choose a red color, and I will draw a star here. So this is a star, and let's draw a triangle. This is a triangle. Also we can add image in this. So let's add this image here. Yes, and we can move the image by clicking on the function move, like that. If you want to uh, uh, keep it any other side, so simply we can move and keep keep it on the another side as well, and then clear the screen. Likewise this. And my another application is nothing but a simple Jarvis application. To open this specific application, I have choose some 4 applications here. We can use here calculator, notepad, task manager, and Gmail. So this is by giving commands on this application, we can open this. So let's run this. In this application, by simply giving the commands, it will open some application which will ask you as a calculator, notepad, task manager, Gmail. So yes, this is this application. So here is the input command. It will be given some commands like open, calculator. I'm just sending or pressing the enter button. It will be demonstrated.